Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to fix the issue where Instagram messages keep loading and never show up. Let's follow these steps together. The first step is to check your internet connection. First things first, make sure your internet connection is strong and stable. Sometimes slow Wi-Fi or data speeds can cause your message to keep loading.
Just go to and switch between Wi-Fi and data. Choose the one who's faster. If this doesn't help, just turn on and off airplane mode again. This can help reset the connection problems.
Step 2 is to restart your phone. Restarting your phone can also help fix this issue. Just turn your phone off and wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on.
Just by pressing the button of your phone and then clicking power off or restart.
Step 3 is to clear cache. To do that,
Just go to settings and scroll down to apps. Then search for Instagram. It's ordered alphabetically, so you'll find it in the I section, just like this. And look for storage options. Now click on the button on the right, on the bottom right, and clear cache.
Step 4 is to check Instagram servers. Sometimes Instagram servers could be down. To check this, you can visit websites like Down Detector to see if others are facing the same problem. Hopefully, your messages are now loading properly. For more fixes like this, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.